Welcome into a brand new episode of WSI TV. Enjoy the show.
Hello everyone, welcome back to WSI TV. Today, Leah and I are going to be doing a very special edition of Jim's Market Update. As you can see, Jim is not here. He's currently in Las Vegas. We are going to be joining him very soon, but he's getting ready for the annual Wealth Summit, so we are going to do the market update in his stead. So we hope you enjoy. Before we get started, we do want to remind you to go to WSITV.com. You can sign up for the free daily newsletters that we put out there, and you can get access to all of our free content. So yeah, go ahead and go over and do that. So do you want to go ahead and get started with today, Leah?
Sure. So as usual, we're going to talk about just the general market. So the S&P is still up. It's looking really, really strong. It's followed this upwards bounce, and it's correcting just a tiny bit today. But that's what we want to see. That's a very healthy movement, especially this time of year. We did see a strong day for Black Friday.
Yes, of
and
course.
Everything's running really well. And then just in the general economy, Chinese manufacturing data has come back and is better than expected, especially considering all the tariffs that are happening. But on the other side of the coin, Trump is re-instigating tariffs with Argentina and Brazil.
Yes, that is something that we did see this morning in the headlines. We do have what's going on with China as well. If you've been following the legislation, the House and the Senate have just passed a bill that is more pro-democracy, and it's kind of leaning towards Hong Kong. If you know anything that's going about there, we've got a lot of tension between the mainland China and Hong Kong, and the president of China has said that he would retaliate with tariffs if President Trump did sign this bill, but now we're getting the inkling that he's probably not going to do that. He realizes that the trade deal needs to go through. We are expecting it in early 2020, so we're going to see how that pans out, but right now the markets are up on the fact that they're assuming he's not going to retaliate through trade tensions. But that doesn't mean he's not going to retaliate elsewhere, so obviously your politics, you should also be watching that. But as far as the market goes, we're not really worried about that anymore.
Yeah, no, the market's looking really strong. We are still keeping track of our swear words.
Yes, we do have our trade war jar.
Yeah, it's always
back
around.
here.
We'll be bringing that with us to Vegas.
Yes.
We leave on Wednesday.
So we do leave on Wednesday. It's very soon. Yes.
Yeah, so we're getting ready, packing up and everything. But we are still keeping track of that, but it looks like even more than when we first started this jar, things aren't really affecting us in a direct way.
No, yeah.
The market has hit that all-time high, and
For
we're still
sure.
writing that out. Like I said, we did see a really strong holiday weekend in the market, and then it's continuing today. Today's Cyber Monday.
Yes.
We did see in-store participation in Black Friday drop.
Yes, we did see that.
Yeah,
yes,
so
we had. It was
6.2%.
Yeah.
Yeah, so big drop this year, and that's a trend that we've been seeing for the past few years, starting in about 2014. That online shopping has started picking up, and the in-store shopping has been dropping.
Yes.
And then today you have this huge number. $9.4 billion is predicted to be brought in today.
Yes, just through Cyber Monday deals. Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, and I know that we've been perusing through a couple of the deals that are going on just to see what's out there.
Yes.
And it's kind of insane.
For sure, yeah.
Yeah, and it's every business you can imagine is trying to put the deals out there.
Of course.
That, our local theater that has Broadway shows is having a bunch of deals there, which is something that I didn't expect to see. And I know that Tayler was telling me about that.
Yes,
so,
of course I took advantage of that, yes.
Yeah, but it's just every business you can imagine is taking advantage of the Cyber Monday. And
Yes.
It's really taking over and kind of starting to overshadow Black Friday.
For sure.
So hopefully we'll see that in the market. Hopefully we'll see the S&P keep jumping up.
Yeah, and we're definitely looking at some of the top retailers today. If you're looking to peruse the deals yourself, if you're doing your Christmas or holiday shopping, or if you're just looking for what stocks that may be strong in the retail sector, we do have, of course, Amazon, Walmart, Target, and Macy's are the top leaders for today that we're looking at. Of course, they're going to have those crazy deals on all types of different appliances and clothing and things like that, but we also have the majority of them have strong charts at this point in time, so that's something to keep an eye on too if you're looking into the retail sector.
Yeah, absolutely. And another sector that's doing really well, I know that you talked to me a little bit about this, and we're planning on doing something special with it because it's in our backyard.
Yes.
Disney's up and has been up for quite a long time, and Frozen just came out, and because of that, it's seen this huge box office success, and the stock has jumped several percentage points just in the last week or two, and then Disney Plus is still riding that high.
Of course. Yes.
So that's one of the biggest stocks to watch right now. And just everything the holiday season, everything looks great.
Yes.
The charts are up, everything is up.
Really polar opposites to last year. It's a really good time for the market right now.
And actually, I think that you found this statistic too. The market is at its strongest this month in November. Well, I guess it's not December, but November was the strongest month that we've seen since June.
Yes, it was a really good run this past month for the market, for sure.
And we think that that's going to continue on and through December and into the new year. So we're really excited to watch that.
Yes.
And keep you guys, as
keep
always,
you posted.
Up to date.
Yeah.
So it's the last couple of days before Annual Summit.
Yeah, we're gearing up over here. It's getting really busy over around the office. Of course, things are a bit quieter because Jordan and Jim are over there already, but we're getting ready to join them, and we really hope to see you soon. Lea and I are going to be doing special episodes for you while we're in Vegas, so stay tuned for those. And we just really hope that you come to join us. If you are joining us, let us know. We'd love to meet with you. And if you haven't yet, you can reserve your ticket at mywealthsummit.com. Your time is running out, but we do have a few straggling positions left for you to sit down. So take advantage of that, please. It's going to be a great event.
Yeah, and then the next time you're going to see us is going to be us. We're going to be live streaming our trip there. So you'll see us on our flight. And first getting to Vegas, we'll show you guys around. It should be a lot of fun.
Yes,
so
we're very excited.
See you soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, so thank you for joining me today, Tayler.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks for watching the latest episode of WSI TV. Be sure to visit WSITV.com where you can subscribe for free with no contract and gain instant access to the secrets of self-made millionaires via the WSI TV Vault. So go ahead and claim this gift for free now at WSITV.com.